Today for Maker Monday, we're going to turn this tea light into a snowman. So to make this craft, you'll need a few items. First, you'll need the tea light. You'll also need some scissors and glue. You'll need a black marker. I've got a permanent marker here, but a regular black marker is fine. And then other various craft items that you may have at home. So here I've got some pom-poms, some construction paper, some pipe cleaners, some yarn and ribbon, but I'm sure anything you have at home would still work for this craft. So there are a few different ways you can make this plain tea light into a snowman. I'm going to show you the way where you can make it into a snowman with earmuffs. I've also seen it where you can make it into a snowman that wears a top hat like this. Can you picture it yet? Let me show you a sneak peek. So if I turn my light on, this light up part is going to turn to the snowman's nose. Can you see it now? Let's make ours into a snowman and then we'll turn it back on. Okay, so to make the earmuffs, I've got some pipe cleaner and I'm gonna use some pom-poms. Now I'm just going to use regular school glue. If you have a parent helping you, you could also use a hot glue gun. Just be careful with that. So I've already attached a little bit of glue to this, and I'm going to attach it to the top of my tea light. Just like that. Does it look like earmuffs yet? I don't think so. So I'm going to add some pom-poms to either side. Again, I'm gonna grab my glue, add a dot, and stick those on the side. Now, depending on what you're adding, you might want to wait a few minutes and let it dry before getting to the next steps. I'm just going to keep going to show you how it works. So there are my earmuffs. So far, so good. Now, I've also got a little bit of ribbon that I could add as a little scarf along the bottom here, which should be really cute. I think I'm gonna leave that off for now, but you could always add that at home too. So once you've let that dry for a little bit, we can add the eyes and the mouth. So I've got my permanent marker here. I'm just going to draw 2 circles for the eyes. And I'm going to do a mouth and pretend that I used rocks to do that. So I'm gonna add a few dots along the way. There we go. What do you think? Can you see the snowman now? We need to do one more thing because we're missing that orange carrot nose. So I'm gonna turn it over carefully, turn that back on, and there we go. There is my snowman wearing some earmuffs. Now the final step once this part has dried is I'm going to turn it over, and on the very back I'm going to attach a piece of string. Again, you can glue it, hot glue it, or tape it. And then I could hang my snowman up. So this doesn't have to be a Christmas ornament. You can just hang it up in your window now and enjoy it for the rest of the winter months. We hope you have fun making your tea light snowman. See you next time.